Are you sharing with Callie, Jenna?
It's okay, I can feed this to her.
Aww. Here, should I hold it?
I can give it to her.
You're so nice.
It's okay, I can feed to her by myself.
Do you love your sister, Jenna?
Yeah.
Aww.
I wish I had a brother, baby. I always had a little sister.
You want a brother, baby?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Do you like ice cream? Oh, she likes it. You want to try a piece?
Or are you sharing yours with her too?
Yeah.
Callie, is that yummy?
I
Mmm.
can't give this to her by myself.
You don't want mommy to help you?
Okay.
You're being pretty good at sharing.
Yum yum. Good.
What's your favorite? Do you like the raspberry or do you like the cookies and cream?
I like these two. I like.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Callie, can you say thank you to Jenna? Yeah, say thank you, Jenna. Callie, say thank you. Wait till she says thank you. Callie, say thank you, Jenna. Good girl. That's nice to say thank you. Oh, big bite.
Big bite, Callie.
Do you want more? Oh, thank you. That's right. You saying thank you?
You're welcome.
Oh, did she bite you? Uh-oh. Are you mad?
No, she's not.
No, you. Are you okay? Jenna got hurt.
But you.
Callie, can you say sorry to Jenna? Show me how you say sorry. Show Mama. Callie, like this. Say sorry, Jenna. Good. Yeah. You go. Sorry.
It's okay, Callie.
Are you all done?
Wow.
No, no more. All done. Say all done.
I'm still eating mine.
Callie, you say more. Tell her you want more.
Yeah.
More? Oh, look, she's signing more. Can you give her a little bite? Did you eat it all?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. It's all done. Here. There you go. Say thank you. Okay, come here. Let's